Hello beautiful people, I'm Sinibiz and welcome to my YouTube channel at Sinibiz Academy. If you are new to this channel, please kindly click on the subscribe button so you can get more videos. Okay, now so today we'll be talking about parts of the bass guitar, like the anatomy of the bass guitar. Just like we humans, we have our body parts. Exactly. So this is a bass guitar. This is a 5-string bass guitar. Okay, now so how do I know it's a 5-string bass guitar? It has 5 strings on it. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So it could be 4 strings. We have 4 strings. So 4 strings will be like -1 of this. Okay, now we have 6 strings. We have 10 strings, like that. But this is a 5-string bass guitar. All right, now so let's talk about other parts of the guitar. We have the control knobs. You have the control knobs where you control your volume, your bass, your mid, and your high. Okay, now so then we have the body. This is the body. This is the body. This is the body, just like I have my body. So this is the body of the bass guitar. And we have what we call pickups. Pickup 1, pickup 2, pickup 1, pickup 2, and you can see what is the iron rod on the pickup. That is where you get your electric signal